What's going on, Gulf Coasters? Today I have a pretty cool video for you. Me and my girlfriend Jordan went out to target redfish, Spanish mackerel, trout, stuff like that out at some local spots out near Pensacola Beach. Almost every fish in this video I'm going to show you guys, we're using this matrix shad with a 3/8 jig head. Everybody knows that's what we throw inshore. I use a Penfish 3000. Got 15-pound braid on it. We run 20-pound monofilament leaders tied directly to our braid. I'll make a video really soon on how I do that. It's super simple. Because if you're throwing a swivel, it makes me feel like my bait's not like it doesn't sink right. It doesn't look natural like I want it to. Especially some of these Spanish we caught were caught on alewives. Freeline was just a long shank J hook. And if you have that swivel on there, it adds that weight, and I don't like how it's not natural looking. But you guys go check this video out. Be sure to subscribe. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I only need 60 more. I'm going to do a free charter giveaway, and we're going to go out on the boat and bust some of these fish out in the Gulf of Mexico. Y'all go check it out. First cast, baby. We are bowed up. Baby, throw it out there. Yes, baby. First cast at the spot, yes. I've seen these redfish out here tailing. Hold on, baby, he's coming down this way. Yeah, that might be. Got the sunrise. Redfish everywhere, bait everywhere. Baby, come over here and get a bait out. Yes, sir, first cast. Watch it be a slot. Yeah, I think it's gonna be. I keep seeing where his tail's hitting, and it looks like a nice one. Out here pitching matrix shad, huh? Look at all the bait out here. I mean, this is crazy. I knew I was gonna get bit right here. Oh, there he is. Yeah, walk that way. Hey, watch out. Hold on. I got it. Oh, wow. That might be slot there. That's a beautiful redfish, though. Beautiful redfish. He's not living. He's fine. He's fine, baby. He's fine. I got this. There he is. Good morning, Pensacola, Florida. Got a beautiful redfish on. Don't grab my line, baby. Grab him. Yes, sir. Beautiful slot redfish. That's gotta be. I got him, baby. Here, hold my pole. I was gonna grab him. I got him. Oh, yeah. Come here, buddy. Let's get you. Beautiful. Pensacola, Florida redfish, y'all. Lord have mercy. Got our second fish on right now. Not sure exactly what it is. Another little redfish. That's a trout. That's a big old trout.
Oh, wow.
Holy. Yeah, that's a speck there. Got a nice little speckled trout. Beautiful speckled trout. We're gonna let this guy go, and let's get some more. Alrighty, y'all. We just got here. We got another nice fish on it. Looks like a trout. It's skied like one. Yep, another nice. Oh god, that's a stud trout there, y'all. Check this dude out. Another beautiful speckled trout. Golly, he inhaled this thing. Let's hook out real quick. Alrighty, y'all. That's a beautiful speckled trout. We're gonna release him. Y'all stay tuned. We got some more coming. First cast, guys, and I have a stud. Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know if I can get him up. Yep. Big old Spanish, y'all. Look at that guy. Woo! Stud Spanish mackerel. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's another big old Spanish mac. Holy moly, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good one. Loosen that drag a little bit, baby. Holy moly, that is a jumbo Spanish there.
That's my jumbo.
Shoo! There he is. Holy crap. And that there is how you catch Spanish mackerel. Jesus Christ. Yeah, my boat up. Oh, that's a little Jack Crevalle there.
Oh yeah.
Little Jack Crevalle. Ah, little Jack Crevalle. Yeah, it probably is. God, they fight so good though. Nice little Jack Crevalle. Oh yeah, that is a nice one there. That's a jumbo. Big old Spanish mac.
There it is.
Long shank J hooks. That's all you need to catch these things. Big old jumbo Spanish in the bucket. Yes sir, let's get another. Nice little Spanish mackerel, got us another one. Wow! In the box.
This is so fun.
Oh yeah, they're a blast to catch. So much fun to catch.
Bucket's thicker than a snooker.
Shit. Got us a beautiful little Spanish mackerel. Shit, ain't nothing better than these guys. Nice little Spanish mackerel. Long shank J hook, freeline alewives.